In this video, you will learn how to change your YouTube banner on YouTube. Open a web browser like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. Go to www.youtube.com and make sure that you are logged in with your account to YouTube. Click on your channel icon in the top right corner of your screen. And select your channel. Click on Customize Channel. Channel Customization. Click on Branding. Banner image. This image will appear across the top of your channel. For the best results on all devices, use an image that is at least 2048 by 1152 pixels and 6 megabytes or less. Click on Upload. Select the image that you want to use as a YouTube banner. You can now see some examples of how your YouTube banner image is going to look on different devices. This part is viewable on a TV, desktop, and mobile device. You can reshape your YouTube banner image by clicking on one of the four corners. Click on Done. Click on Publish. Changes published. Let's check the new YouTube banner image. Click on View Channel. Congratulations! Now you know how to change your YouTube banner on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and it really helps me if you give this video a like and a comment to show your appreciation, so I will make more videos.